Let's talk about Cleopatra, the last queen of ancient Egypt, known for her intelligence, power, and iconic style. Her bold winged eye makeup wasn't just for beauty. It was a symbol of strength and authority. Cleopatra's look has lasted thousands of years, inspiring people even today. Her dramatic eyes made her unforgettable, like a character sculpted with personality and flair. Today we'll uncover her ancient beauty secrets and show you how to recreate her legendary look. Grab your makeup brushes. Let's travel back to the land of pyramids and pharaohs, ready to discover the magic behind one of history's most famous faces. In ancient Egypt, makeup was for everyone, men, women, and even children. It was a daily part of life, woven into the fabric of society, and not just reserved for the wealthy or the elite. From the bustling markets of Thebes to the grand palaces along the Nile, you'd find people of all ages carefully applying makeup each morning. It wasn't just about looking good. Kohl eyeliner protected eyes from the sun and infections, almost like a magical shield. The harsh desert sun could be relentless, and the fine black lines of kohl helped reduce glare, while the minerals in the makeup had antibacterial properties. In a world where sandstorms and disease were common, this simple cosmetic was a real lifesaver. Makeup was a daily ritual believed to honor the gods and bring divine protection, especially with the cat eye resembling the Eye of Horus. The Eye of Horus was a powerful symbol of healing and safety, so painting it on your face was like wearing a sacred amulet. Applying makeup became a spiritual act, connecting people to their gods and ancestors. Egyptians valued order and symmetry, so their makeup was precise and balanced, reflecting their culture's love for harmony. Every line was carefully drawn, every color chosen with intention. This attention to detail wasn't just about beauty. It was about showing respect for the cosmic order, or ma'at, that governed their world. A well-made-up face showed respect for tradition and self-care. It was a sign that you honored your heritage and took pride in your appearance, no matter your status. For Cleopatra, makeup was practical, spiritual, and cultural, a powerful tool that told the world who she was. Her look was legendary, instantly recognizable, and it helped her project confidence and authority as a ruler. Just like our clothes today, their makeup expressed identity and beliefs. Different colors and styles could show your social status, your mood, or even your favorite deity. Every line and color had meaning, blending beauty, faith, and magic. The pigments came from minerals like malachite and galena, each chosen for its special properties and symbolism. Cleopatra's look was more than style, it was a statement of power. Her dramatic eyes and bold colors set her apart, making her unforgettable to friends and rivals alike. That's a lot for a bit of eyeliner, but in ancient Egypt, even the smallest details could carry deep meaning and purpose. Let's see what was actually in her makeup kit and discover the secrets behind these ancient beauty rituals. Cleopatra's makeup box was filled with natural treasures, so no plastic tubes here. Instead, imagine a collection of tiny clay jars, each holding a different secret from the earth. These were the beauty tools of a queen, carefully crafted and cherished. She used slender carved sticks to sweep kohl, a striking black paste made from galena, along her eyelids, creating that iconic dramatic look. For eyeshadow, she reached for green malachite powder, giving her eyes a vibrant, mystical shimmer that caught the light. Red ochre, a mineral pigment, was blended and brushed onto her lips and cheeks, adding a warm, earthy glow that highlighted her features and brought color to her face. To keep her skin soft and radiant, Cleopatra relied on nourishing oils like olive and almond. She also used honey and milk, not just for cleansing, but to soothe and hydrate, leaving her skin luminous and refreshed. Perfumes crafted from fragrant flowers and resins added a royal touch, enveloping her in scents that were both luxurious and symbolic of her status. Her beauty routine was hands-on, inventive, and all about using nature's colors. She mixed pigments herself, experimenting with combinations to achieve the perfect shades and textures. Every ingredient had a purpose: protection from the sun, enhancement of beauty, and participation in sacred rituals. These cosmetics were more than decoration. They were part of her identity and daily life. It was a sensory experience, fit for a queen. Rich textures, earthy scents, and vibrant colors, all coming together in a ritual that celebrated both beauty and well-being. Now, let's prepare the skin just like Cleopatra did, embracing the ancient secrets that made her legendary. Before the colors, Cleopatra started with clean, soft skin. She cleansed with oils and clay, then moisturized with honey and milk for a radiant glow. A light dusting of mineral powder evened her skin tone, creating a flawless base. Today, you can use gentle oil cleansers and your favorite moisturizer for the same effect. The goal, a smooth, hydrated canvas for dramatic eyes. Great makeup starts with great skincare. Cleopatra knew it. Ready for the main event? Let's do the eyes. The eyes are the heart of Cleopatra's look. Bold, dramatic, unforgettable. They're the first thing people notice, and they set the tone for the entire face. Cleopatra's eyes were legendary, and with a few simple steps you can channel that same powerful energy. Start with a wash of green eyeshadow across your lids, just like malachite. This rich, vibrant color was prized in ancient Egypt, symbolizing both beauty and protection. Sweep the color generously, letting it catch the light and create a luminous base for your look. Next, line your eyes with thick black kohl, top and bottom, connecting at the corners. Kohl was more than just makeup. It was believed to ward off evil and protect the eyes from the sun. Don't be shy. Make the lines bold and defined. Extend the line outwards and upwards for that iconic cat-eye wing. This shape lifts the eyes and adds a mysterious, regal flair. Cleopatra's winged liner is instantly recognizable, so don't hesitate to exaggerate the flick for extra drama. Don't be afraid to go dramatic. The Egyptians loved a statement. The bolder, the better. This is your chance to embrace a look that's both artistic and empowering, just as Cleopatra did. Fill in your brows, making them strong and defined to frame your eyes. Well-shaped brows balance the dramatic liner and bring harmony to your features. Use a brow pencil or powder for a clean, bold shape. Take your time to sculpt the arches, as Cleopatra's brows were always perfectly groomed and expressive. Take your time. This is your masterpiece. Each step is a ritual, connecting you to centuries of beauty tradition. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine. The result? Eyes that command attention, just like Cleopatra's. They're magnetic, mysterious, and full of confidence. Practice makes perfect, and every attempt is a step closer to queenly confidence. Don't worry if it's not flawless the first time. Each try brings you closer to mastering this timeless look. Stand back and admire. You've recreated a look that's lasted millennia. You're not just wearing makeup. You're embodying history and channeling the spirit of a queen. Now let's finish the face with lips and cheeks. Add a touch of color to your cheeks for a healthy glow, and choose a lip shade that complements your bold eyes. Almost there. Your transformation into Cleopatra is complete. Cleopatra's lips were soft and earthy, tinted with red ochre for a natural terracotta hue. Apply a brownish red lipstick or stain for that ancient effect. Just a hint of color, not too bold. For cheeks, use a warm blush on the apples, blending softly for a healthy, radiant glow. The look is about warmth and harmony, not sharp lines. A little color ties the face together, balancing the dramatic eyes. It's the final touch, subtle, regal, and full of life. With just a few steps, you've brought Cleopatra's beauty to life. Now, let's talk about what this look really means. You've just stepped into Cleopatra's shoes. Bold eyes, glowing skin and all. This isn't just about makeup. It's about connecting with history and expressing your own power. Cleopatra used her look as armor, projecting confidence and authority. Makeup is creativity. Whether with ancient minerals or modern palettes, it's all about self-expression. Try this look, adapt it, and make it your own. Remember, every bold line is a story, and your face is the canvas. Wear your Cleopatra look with confidence. You deserve to feel royal. Well done, Queen.